thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how to work the front post. I'm just going to use double crochets for this video. So I started with the chain 2, and then I'm going to wrap. And then if you're starting on the edge here, might be the most trickiest, but you're going behind that post and through, and then you finish your stitch. Now, one way to help you remember with front post is that the post is in front of your hook. Okay, even though you're going in through the back, going in through, your post is in the front of the hook. And that could be a good way to remember that you are working the front post. Now, depending on what your pattern calls for, sometimes you do a post and then a regular crochet, double crochet in the top of those stitches, and switch off or whatever the pattern calls for. But again, your post is in the front of that crochet hook when you're working that stitch. So and then it gives you all sorts of different designs depending on what your pattern calls for, or if you're creating your own. So I hope that helps you. And I'll just do one more. Your hook or your post is in front of your hook. So I hope this has helped you. Please leave me a comment and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.